So I just put this e-bike together, and fortunately it's testing a-okay. Everything's working fine, but I had this big mess of wires in the front, looking very messy. I've got a throttle connection, multifunction switch, e-brake, ignition, 3-speed switch, temp sensor, cycle analyst, all the wires going every which way. Can't ride around like that because it's a rat's nest. I did build an identical bike, and I've already cleaned up the wiring, and this is the best I could clean it up. It still looks like it's not a regular bike and it's an e-bike, but I used the wire looming and tried to make as few routes as possible, and I ride around like that. So that's as nice as I can make it. So there's the before and the after. So here's what I did in the rear to clean up the big rat's nest, the big mess of wires. And you see the before, because these two bikes are completely identical. There's a lot of wires all over the place, looking pretty disorganized. This bike is testing okay, but obviously you can't ride around like that. Looks like a fire hazard. And then this is the result when it's all cleaned up. And I'm going to clean this up right now. It's not too aggravating. And make it look like that.